NeuraFlash AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of the NeuraFlash AI tool. If you're looking for an in-depth overview of its features, usage experience, and target audience, you're in the right place. Links to the product are provided in the description for your convenience. NeuraFlash is an AI-powered platform designed specifically for businesses seeking to enhance customer experiences through automation, AI-driven insights, and seamless integrations. Built on Salesforce, it's a robust tool tailored for customer service, sales, and marketing teams, aiming to streamline workflows and maximize productivity. One standout feature is its AI chatbot functionality, which uses natural language processing, NLP, to deliver real-time customer support, providing accurate and human-like responses across various channels. This is complemented by voice assistants that integrate with contact centers to reduce response times and improve customer satisfaction. Another key feature is its Conversation Analyzer, which uses AI to analyze customer interactions and provide actionable insights, helping teams optimize their approach and understand customer sentiment at scale. The platform also supports predictive analytics, enabling businesses to anticipate customer needs and tailor interactions for better engagement. NeuraFlash is made for organizations that prioritize exceptional customer service and want to scale operations without compromising quality. It's particularly valuable for industries like retail, healthcare, and financial services, where quick, personalized, and accurate interactions are critical. Its seamless integration with Salesforce ensures that teams can leverage existing data and workflows without a steep learning curve. From my experience, setting up NeuraFlash is straightforward, thanks to its intuitive UI and dedicated onboarding support. However, the tool is best suited for teams already familiar with Salesforce, as it's tightly integrated into that ecosystem. Performance-wise, it's reliable with minimal downtime and excellent scalability for growing businesses. In summary, NeuraFlash is an excellent choice for companies looking to elevate their customer experience using AI-driven automation and insights. With its powerful features and ease of use, it offers great value for organizations aiming to stay ahead in a competitive market. If you're considering it, check the links below for more information.